Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. So excited to share today's video with you guys. I'm going to be doing some after church Sunday meal prepping just for my week ahead. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I've filmed meal prepping videos here and there because it really is a huge part of how I stay on track nutritionally and just helps me feel my best being a busy homeschooling mom. Today's video sponsor is oatsovernight.com, and I have to tell you guys how much I love this company. I am so excited to share them with you guys because I have tried everything under the sun to make high protein, good tasting oatmeal, from pouring in egg whites and microwaving it to then having the eggs like cook in the oatmeal. It's disgusting. To trying to mix in my own protein powder and it never blending perfectly. It's disgusting. So I was so excited and a little nervous to try Oats Overnight, but I'm telling you guys, it is the best tasting overnight oatmeal, so you can have it cold or hot, that I've ever had. So I'm going to be preparing that for my breakfast for tomorrow for the start of our new homeschool week. So I will show you guys how I do that and share the offer that I have with you guys. You definitely need to check them out. And you guys know I've been recently gluten-free and dairy-free, and so meal prepping has become more important now that I just can't automatically just grab something quick to tide me over. So we're going to be meal prepping using my easy 6-step weekend meal prep. I did a video on that not long ago, so this is not going to be an overwhelming video. This is going to be realistically just a few things I do and prepare food-wise ahead of time to start my week off on the best foot. So like I was telling you guys about Oats Overnight, I have tried everything under the sun to make high protein oatmeal, and it is disgusting every single time. I've tried other brands that do have some protein added into them, but nothing like what is inside each of these packets. So I have 3 different flavors here. All of them are delicious. I have tried all 3 of them. They all have 20 grams of protein in here, just in the packet alone, not including the milk that you add, which can be your milk of choice. Coconut milk, cashew milk, soy milk, regular dairy milk, or in my case, I like oat milk. So it's so easy to make. You literally just fill up your container with 8 ounces of liquid, and there's a little fill line on the side to show you guys. And then you pour this in, the whole packet, you shake it up, and you put it in your refrigerator, and then you can eat it cold, like as if you would if you made like overnight oats before, or you can heat it up, whatever you want to do. I'm telling you guys, it is delicious. The consistency is perfect. It is not chalky. It is so good. Like I was blown away because I've had some bad protein oatmeal experiences, and I was prepared to be like, okay, I'm not sure. But it was so good. This one, if I had to choose my favorite, is probably my favorite. This is the peanut butter cookie dough cacao crunch. It's loaded with superfoods, plant-based protein, and more. So these 3 flavors right here are the gluten and dairy-free flavors. They have a ton more flavors on the website, so definitely head over there to oatsovernight.com to check them out and see for yourself. But these 3 are the gluten-free, dairy-free ones, and they are so good. So I'll show you guys exactly how I make it, but I wanted to explain, like, I've tried it all, and these are so yummy. So I will have a link and a coupon code. It is Grace and Grit 15 for 15% off your order from Oats Overnight. I'm telling you guys, try them out. Even if you're not gluten-free or dairy-free, grab the other flavors. You will love them, especially in the summertime when it gets warmer. If you're like me, I don't really want to eat a hot oatmeal breakfast. So being able to just quickly have this ready for me to go in the fridge is so helpful. I can just grab it and eat it with my spoon. You can drink it if you want to drink it. I like to eat it with a spoon. That's just my preference. But yeah, so I'm going to get this ready. This will be the first thing that I prepare, and I will show you guys how quick this literally is. 2 seconds. So literally all you do is pour in your milk of choice. They really recommend that you use milk and not water. So whatever kind of milk or milk alternative that you like, you just fill it up to 8 ounces just like that. And then you're going to open up your packet. It has like the little easy tabs there, and you guys can see the inside. You literally pour it in here, okay, the whole packet, and then put your lid on. Make sure your lid on is really on there before you shake it. Make sure it's closed. Give it a good shake, like a real good shake. You want to shake it like you mean it. And then you literally just set this in your refrigerator, and in the morning you wake up and you have a delicious, nutritious breakfast for yourself. So easy. So that's it. That's literally it. And I'm telling you guys, I have tried so many protein oatmeals. I cannot sing the praises of this one enough. So especially this flavor, this peanut butter cookie dough cacao one is so good. So that was step number 1 on my meal prepping after church on Sunday, is to get my breakfast ready for tomorrow so that way I can just grab it. So I'm gonna just set this in my fridge and enjoy it. Once you make them and prepare them, they recommend using it within 36 hours. So you could make a few at a time, but since it literally takes me 2 seconds, I'm just gonna do one. But you could prepare a few if you wanted to as well. So definitely check out Oats overnight and use my code GraceandGrit15 to save. This is something that I know you will love. So like I shared with you guys in the other 6-step weekend meal prep video I did, I just choose out a few things that will just help me throughout my week. It's nothing crazy, it's nothing elaborate. I'm not making, 55-step recipes. So I went ahead and wrote down the things I wanted to prep, with the 6th being the overnight oats, which I already just did. So I'm gonna make some hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to cook some turkey bacon. I'm going to dice and bake a bunch of sweet potato just to have on hand to go with eggs in the morning or as a side for dinner. I'm going to prepare some lunches and then wash and cut our fruit. So that's what I need to get done today, just to have a bit of meal prep and quick healthy things ready to be grabbed this week. I've noticed that since going gluten-free and dairy-free, things that I would normally reach for if I need to have a quick lunch just aren't working out. So meal prepping actual meals for lunch is a lot more important for me right now. So I saw a recipe on an account that I follow on Instagram, which I'll share with you guys what that one is in a second. But I only started following a few people because I don't like to overwhelm myself, but this one I think is called like Clean Monday Meals or something like that. Anyways, I saw a recipe on there for chicken and zucchini, so I'm going to make that for Jake and I. He'll eat it too, even if it is gluten-free and dairy-free. So this is everything that I'm going to be prepping, and I am going to get started with getting the eggs into the pressure cooker. That's how I like to hard boil my eggs.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you, because now I see we were meant to be. And didn't care if we were acting stupid, 'cause all we had was us. If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste.
So the next thing I'm gonna prepare is just some pre-cooked turkey bacon. I cook it on a foil-lined baking sheet. at 425 for about 15 to 20 minutes. I like my bacon crispy, and so I'll do like a quick little spray of coconut oil on the top, but I'm just going to put this in the oven and let it bake. That way, you know, we have some protein that's just ready to go for mornings or sandwiches or really so many uses. So this brand of bacon is the Columbus one from Costco, and it is dairy-free and gluten-free. So it's a winner in our house for sure.
Close my eyes and think about us. I can see the person I know I should be. 'Cause honestly, I don't have no time to waste. I'm trying to come back to you because now I see we were meant to be.
All right, for the sweet potatoes, I just do coconut oil over them and then cinnamon powder on top, and then I'm gonna bake them in the oven at 350 until they're done. I left some of them larger, so these ones will take a little bit longer, probably about 35 or so minutes, and maybe shaking it once way half through to kind of rotate them on the pan. But I like having sweet potatoes prepared for the week for dinners, like a quick side, and then also sweet potato with eggs is super good. So sometimes I'll have that for breakfast as well. And so anyways, just going to roast these in the oven.
Remember me, I remember you. I've been thinking.
All right, so the last thing I'm doing is some chicken for lunches. So what I did was I just cooked the chicken on both sides with olive oil, and then I used, or avocado oil rather, then I used this seasoning blend over the top until the chicken was seared and crispy on both sides. Then I turned the heat down to like a medium heat and added a can of pineapple with most of the juice drained. I'm gonna let the chicken just simmer like this for maybe 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'm going to drizzle this Kinder Zero Sugar Cali Gold barbecue sauce. I got this at Costco, and it has no sugar added, so even if you're not gluten-free or dairy-free, this is just a much better option for a barbecue sauce. So then I'll drizzle that over it, and then I have my containers here with the, I don't have like a spiralizer for the zucchini, so I just did these like little strips. In my experience, you don't even need to cook them because when you heat up the chicken, the steam is gonna cook those. So I will add the chicken to it, let it cool on the counter, and then put the lids on and put it away, and then we'll have lunch for a few days. So I hard-boiled the eggs, I made the bacon, I made the sweet potato, I prepared the barbecue pineapple chicken, and I washed the berries, and then I made my overnight oats for tomorrow morning. So that is gonna be it for this super easy 6-step meal prep on a Sunday after church, just getting a few things ready for my week. I love having some food prepared. It just makes my days so much easier and smoother, not to mention helps me stay on track with my nutrition and fitness goals, as well as the latest portion of my health and wellness journey, which has been going gluten-free and dairy-free. This totally sets me up to succeed and not have to worry or even really give it any extra thought, which is super helpful when you are a mom and you've got a lot going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my meal prepping. Let me know if you did any meal prepping or if you do something similar to this. Lunches are super key for me. They always have been, but even more so now. And also be sure to check out the link to Oats Overnight and use my coupon code. You guys, I'm telling you, it is so good. I know you will love it. If you're gonna be doing any camping, any traveling, like those, they're just so convenient. I'm gonna be ordering 1 million packages to bring with us on all of our travel trailer journeys this summer, because it'll just be such an easy thing to prepare overnight really quickly. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the meal prep. Be sure to check out their links. I know you'll really love them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one really soon. Bye guys.
If I close my eyes and think about us, I can see the person I know.